Now it's time to connect the power to the robot. The power is provided by the battery. There are two wires coming out of it. They have different connectors. One is intended to charge the battery and also can be used to power one of the boards. The other is specifically designed to power the boards. There is this adapter which can be used to extend and convert the charging connector into a connector that can power the boards. We'll start by protruding the two cables through the opening underneath the Arduino board. Getting them on the back, we need to provide power to two boards. One is the servo control board, the other is the motor board. They have individual switches which allow us to turn on and off the power to the individual board. The motor shield provides power to the Arduino board. We will use this connector to power the motor shield, and we'll use this connector to connect to the servo board, and then the other end to the charging connector coming from the batteries. Now the only thing we need to do is install the two antennas. They will be connected to this Wi-Fi board underneath the chassis. It has two connectors where you can screw the antennas. Each antenna has a thread that can be used to screw into the board. The same with this antenna. Once screwed in place, they can still be rotated, adjusted, and we can put them under the desired angle. Our robot is ready and we can start programming and playing with it. As you can see, I have used some tighteners to hold some of the loose cables in place. If necessary, you can add some additional tighteners and pigtails to hold the cables in the right positions.